Hello dear friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please watch my video and subscribe my channel. Today our new video is very beautiful crochet blankets. Crochet blankets are popular project, but since they are so big, they can be intimidating for beginning crocheters. There are a lot of crochet blanket patterns out there and it can be hard to know where to start. If you are new to crochet, we have put together a list of 40 quick and easy crochet blanket patterns that are perfect for beginners to make it easier. These free crochet patterns are all simple and straightforward and will help you build your skill in no time. You will find everything from simple granny skirt crochet blanket patterns to more modern crochet blanket patterns, so you are sure to find a design you adore. With just a little bit of time and effort, you could have an amazing new crochet blanket to keep you warm all winter long. Maybe you will make your next family heirloom. I don't think you can really go wrong with any of these easy crochet patterns. So choose your favorite blanket and try. Crochet blankets do not require any special supplies, but there are a few things that can make your life easier. First, you will want to choose the right yarn for your project. Blankets are made with various yarn weight from decay weight to super bulky. If you want a pattern that works out more quickly, choose one that uses bulky or super bulky yarn. I have included yarn types and suggestions with each pattern so that you can spend less time shopping and more the crocheting. Crochet hook and other things you will need to crochet hook. The size of your crochet hook will determine the budget, which is the number of stitches. Choosing crochet blankets come in different sizes from small newborn blankets to king size bedspread. Most blanket patterns will give you instructions from making the blanket in multiple size. Even if not, it's easy to adjust the size of the blanket yourself by starting with more of fewer stitches. Before you choose a blanket size, consider a few things. First, of course, do you love the patterns? Blankets can take a while to complete, and choosing a pattern you will love help to stay determined to get it done. Next, what will be purpose be? It is baby gift and a point with your link.